Spiced Somalian Tea. A beverage from Somalia. Serves 4. You will need 9 ingredients. Step 1. Grind together the cinnamon, cardamom seeds, cloves and peppercorns. Step 2. Place the water in a pan and add the spices, ginger and nutmeg, and bring to the boil. Step 3. When the water is boiling, gradually stir in the sugar until dissolved. Step 4. Remove from the heat and add the tea. Cover and allow to stand for 5 minutes. Step 5. Strain the liquid into a jug and serve. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.